What's good? It's your boy Big Mike, as you know. Here in lovely Las Vegas. Monster CES Monster Awards. It's going down. We got Alisha Keys going to be performing here tomorrow night. It's going to be crazy. That's what it is, man. BmikeroB management all day, every day. Monster, you already know that. The DNAs, the inspiration, the high sports. And this is the diesels, as well as the diamond tiers. And this is the stage. That's your girl Razon.
It's girl Razon. The stage is absolutely incredible. I'm so excited to be here in Vegas for CES. It's going downtown. It's Monster Products, Monster, social media team, Miss Carmen, and of course Mr. Noli. Especially for these diamond tiers. Check it out, y'all. It's going down. I'm so excited.
Monster, baby.